funky.
Maraming buntag. So, welcome again to my channel. So, today, picture natin is Kia Bongo 2 na 4x4. It's 4-wheel drive. And single tire, size 14. And, of course, as you could see, the theme is about Hello Kitty. Our customer is really fan of Hello Kitty. And, all pink. So, yan. From the mudguard, the color, the stickers, and the panel board, dashboard, the door panel, and ating sa ibabaw, tapos yung ating seat cover pink, sa likod pink na pink. Yan. Yan. So guys, this is personally requested by the customer. So details ng ating sasakyan: Kia Bongo 2 4x4. It's a 4-wheel drive. Makina niya is J3 3.0, JT 3.0, purely mechanical, walang turbo. And this is a 4-wheel drive. Alright, so size ng kanyang cargo box is 9 feet, almost 9 feet. Yan. Guys, release namin to, so abang-abang ang ating final setup mamaya. Amping ayaw.